G'day, it's John, VK4 Bravo Zulu again, and just out on my Patna Lane at the moment, actually doing some field work for the John Moyle Field Day contest. Usually I'm with the Redcliffe Radio Club, but being away from home for a couple of years, such as I am, I'm actually sitting in the Hunter Valley in a little town called Broke, just west northwest of Singleton, and I'm in a nice camping spot here, and I have the antenna set up, etc, etc. I'll take you a bit of a look around so you can see what I've done. Very easy setup. I'm using, for those of you ham radio operators, I'm using a doublet antenna, cut for 80 metres, 3.6 megahertz, and working on all bands, but I'm mostly doing 40 metres on CW, that's Morse, and on a single sideband. So I'll give you a bit of a look at what I've got here, and then maybe a bit of my operating, should the conditions improve enough for people to hear me on my 10 watts, running my low power transmitter, my Galacraft KX3, and 10 watts into the doublet. I'm getting out. It's not terrific, but I'm getting plenty of signal. So we'll see how it goes for the contest. Okay, well, the antenna I'm using, the feed line is just simply the good old open wire feed line. Hopefully you can see that on the camera there, but it's homemade, made out of a light wire, mil-spec stuff called Don 10, and the spacers between here are actually just watering system risers from that hardware shop, the big green shed, and again using some zip ties to secure it. So basically every 150 millimeters I have put in the spacers, and there she goes. That's what works for my open wire feeder for the doublet. It seems to do alright. I've used it on other antennas using different sorts of wire, so I'll be interested to see how this Don 10 performs. But being mil-spec, it's extremely strong, and yeah, it does the job for us out bush with the army. So I've actually broken the Don 10, it's twin pair wire, broken up into single wire, which makes it much easier to use for this application. Rightio, so this is the way the open wire feeder looks like on its way up to the middle of the doublet. And it's all very straightforward there. Feeds the doublet in the centre. The suspension point for the centre is actually on a little former that's sold by TET Mtron, and probably try and get a bit of a close-up on that for you. But yeah, simply there, and it's all held on with a couple of bolts. I've used stainless steel bolts and nuts and washers, and does the trick for me, and it should be quite durable. Mind you, this is only a short-term antenna up for a little while and then back down again for the weekend, but I want to put something more permanent up like this, and it should do the trick. Now before I forget, there was one other thing I wanted to show you. That's my method for getting antennas up in the trees. It's a perennial problem for us amateurs, how we get things up in trees. And I have done years and years of swinging the ropes and all that sort of stuff, to varying degrees of success. What I've got this time now is my Shanghai, and some fishing line, and a couple of lead sinkers. And it's just a matter of putting the lead sinkers on the end of the fishing line, putting out enough line, and then just lining it up and letting it go. And I'm finding it's actually fairly easy with the light fit with the fishing line. The sinkers over there, eventually it'll come back down to earth. I have lost the odd bit of sinkers and line at times, but most of the time it works. It may take a couple of times, but you can get the antennas up a lot higher, and you're not sort of swinging the rope around and all that sort of stuff with a weight at the end going anywhere. So that's my method. It's working quite well for me. This again came from a camping shop locally in Brisbane, and it works well for me. So you might like to give something like that a try. Well, this is my very simple station here in the tent. Have my little netbook here, which I'm using for the for logging in all the contacts on the VK logger. VK contest log, different to VK logger, isn't it? My radio runs off this little sealed lead acid battery here, and those of you who have seen my KX3 before, KX3 is just simply here. So it's all there and all working really well. Again, most important thing for me is my key, Morse key there, and again, a good old microphone and some earbuds for my headphones. Okay, let's give it a try and see if I can get anybody to talk to.
A place called Howlong, which is about 30 kilometres west of Albury-Wodonga on the Murray River. Over.
Well, looks like we've got a station here. See if I can get this fella in Albury-Wodonga area.
73. This is VK2 Echo Whiskey Charlie calling CQ for John Moyle Field Day. VK2 EWC calling and listening.
Victor Kilo 2 Echo Whiskey Charlie. Victor Kilo 4 Bravo Zulu Portable 2.
The Bravo's VK4 something Bravo Zulu Portable 2. Go ahead again.
Yeah, Victor Kilo 4 Bravo Zulu Portable 2. Victor Kilo 4 Bravo Zulu Portable 2. Over.
Yeah, Roger. I've just had somebody come up very close to me. I don't know where they are, but they haven't listened around very well. Anyway, VK4 Bravo Zulu, VK2 EWC, your 59048P for Papa, over.
Yeah, QSL, the 59048 Papa. My number to you is 59034 Papa. 034 Papa, name is John, and KDH is just west of Singleton, New South Wales, and running 10 watts into a doublet antenna, over. Calling CQ, calling CQ contest, CQ contest, CQ contest, calling CQ, CQ contest. This is Victor Kilo 4 Bravo Zulu Portable, VK4BZ Portable. Victor Kilo 4 Bravo Zulu Portable, calling CQ John Moyle Field Day, calling CQ John Moyle Field Day contest. Victor Kilo 4 Bravo Zulu, VK4BZ Portable, calling and listening.
Thanks very much. QRZ, Victor Kilo 4, Quebec Delta Portable.
Victor Kilo 4 Bravo Zulu Portable 2.
Roger, Victor Kilo 4 Bravo Zulu Portable 2, your 59091 Portable, over.
QSL, the 091 Portable. My number to you is 59035 Papa. 035 Papa. QSL.
Roger, QSL 035 Papa. Thanks very much. That'll be through. QRZ.
Well, it's been an interesting night. Main problems with keeping the battery up to this thing, but just turn that down. But I've been able to make 93 contacts so far, and we'll see how I go making a few more. I'm in the last block on Sunday morning. Managed to have my glasses lose one of their lenses overnight, so there we go, that's more work to get done. Okay, we'll give it a try and see how I go. VK3 Victor Tango Hotel Portable, Victor Kilo 4 Bravo Zulu Portable.
VK4 Bravo Zulu Portable, good morning. You're 59309 Portable, 309 Portable, QSL.
Yeah, QSL, the 309 Portable. My number to you is 59094 Papa. 094 Papa, QSL.
QSL 094 Papa, 73, thank you very much for the call. VK4 Bravo Zulu
Yeah, cheers mate, and thanks for the couple of contacts throughout the contest. Well, that's it. I finished with about 98 contacts for the weekend, which is not too bad for 24 hours. Yeah, listening to the vagaries of propagation, particularly on 40 metres. But, you know, you get out in the scrub, you have a bit of fun, and that's basically what it's all about. Lots of stations working, lots of calls. I've done okay, I guess, but that's not the point of it. The point is getting out and having fun. So, hope you've enjoyed this video from me this time again, and it does inspire you for the next time we have a field day contest, wherever you are in amateur radio world out there, and get out there and have a bit of fun. You don't have to be part of a club, though I am, but you can get out by yourself when you can't get out with the club. So club stuff's really good, but yeah, you get away for a few days, away from the hustle and bustle, work a bit of radio, have a bit of fun, have a brew, have whatever you're going to have, and enjoy yourself. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time. This is VK4BZ.